Okay. I think we're live. Wait for the stream thing to update. All right. We're in. So yeah, we're going to work on the voice cam again today. And you know, the last one that we worked on in the last stream last week actually, you know, didn't have the right intention, right outcome, because the app just completely crashes. I can demonstrate. Got the iPhone up. So this is the newer one. And what happens is you get into the cam and then you say, okay, phone, take a photo. And it like gets into this repeating glitch. Take a photo. Where now anything, it's weird how it's not working right now. Anything that you say, it should double up. Take a photo. Take a photo. Alright, well definitely the screen's too small. So it does actually seem to be working. For some reason, it didn't seem to be working before. This button's too small. Take a photo. Alright, and here are the photos. Let's check out the aspect ratio. Is there? Let's just airdrop it to the computer. Let's airdrop that one. And that one. Share the wide angle photos, so we'll be able to tell what the heck's going on. Show and Finder. Alright, here we go. So they're all the same aspect ratio. It looks like 12 megapixels, I think. So the front's the same. More info. We got, I guess we gotta open it with preview. And then preview, we can go to just size. Alright, and let's see what aspect ratio this is. Okay. Oh, 0.625. Let's see, are the other ones the same? Definitely a different amount of bytes. Is it 8 megapixels on the front? Yeah, so it's a smaller res on the front, but it might not necessarily be a different aspect ratio. Okay, so it's the same aspect ratio. And then we can just assume that the front is even wide. Yeah, because it's think is this one lower res too? Okay. So this one is different as well. They're all different sizes. But they're all 5. Okay. So what we need to do is let's do the first thing. And you know, it might still be broken. Preview. It's a 4x3. Let's go 3. All right. No, let's go. Nine by 16. Okay, so if 3. So we go 300 divided by 9. Times 16. 533 repeating. Alright, drag that in. So that's the aspect ratio of the photo. So if we set this up correctly, that should be good. I think it's just that this looks small. Let's make the icon itself. Stretch it out. Okay. So now it looks a little bit better. Okay. Okay. Eventually we'll put a settings in there. Yeah. I wonder if I could download Unity Editor, which will help me on the phone take a photo. Take a photo. It's weird how I've used this before and it goes, yeah, like in this instance, now it just keeps on going. Take a photo. Hello? Okay, so it seems to be working. Yeah, the Unity Remote's cool because it's an app where I can then program out, like, what I want is I want to be able to pinch to zoom on the little screen and go from 0.1 to the wide angle. Oh yeah, the other thing that we needed to do is the white space image is too much of a fraction. Okay, so now that falls over. Is this all set up preview rect? That gets set correctly. Okay, what's pre? Okay, so I think that this was old code when I was thinking that they're two different aspect ratios. They're clearly not. So I'll just comment that out. I think that's good. So apparently, okay, I have it on my phone, and I can pull up the pull up the QuickTime so you can see what's happening. But editor, sorry, not project settings, editor, which is right. There's the Unity device, iPhone 12 mini. Project settings gets updated even when you're in play mode. That's kind of cool. Okay, perfect. So now weird. Okay. Why doesn't the camera feed work? I'll pull up QuickTime so you guys know what I'm doing. Maybe you can't pull up QuickTime and how do I wish I could shift this over. What the heck? Oh, it's because this is full screen. Okay, get that out of full screen. There we go. Okay. I think it might be too many devices are just being connected at once. Now if I press play, should you get this? See, okay, so now I gotta focus on, there we go. So it's like coming up, but I gotta focus on the Unity project. Let's see. I think it's because it's black because I never was able to accept the Unity permissions. Camera. So okay, it does have Okay, so total access to all the things. Let's get that out of here. Okay. So maybe there's just no way. So that's not the way. I can do touch and stuff, but okay, now the whole thing, just the camera doesn't work. If I quit Unity, save this scene, reopen Unity Hub. Sometimes it really be like that. You just gotta close stuff again. Oh, the camera was just working. What happens if I remove that video capture device? Okay, if I control Z, it comes back on. Oh, is it because the preview set to inactive? Obviously. Alright, that was stupid. Let's get this back on. Okay. So now if I reconnect, why is QuickTime? Why did QuickTime close? It's cool how it remembers everything. Okay. Cool. So it shows the camera, but I can get these touch events. So I can, in theory, do the zoom out. It's interesting, like, looking at this camera, it's going to be rather tricky because you can see to do that change seamlessly where it's 0.9 and it shoots cropped. Like, I think there's a way to do it, but we'll have to do some testing because it's all in the hack of like how you zoom in correctly. Let's just make sure. Take a photo. Okay, so take a photo. Okay. Touch. If I touch it to focus on the screen, when it's in this way, okay, it's not broken. Okay, so that's kind of everything that's working. The crazy thing to do would be to do video recording. I mean, let's see what other things we have on the features. Okay, so done focus crashes, got it. Done set fast to not start on auto. think that's correct. Reinitialize after each starts. Don't reinit after each photo. So, okay, I think we got this done. Done. There's something about vocabulary. But we'll try it. Okay, so now it should take a photo. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's weird how it doesn't have it. It's weird how there's two vocabulary elements. Let's. A photo. Hello, hello. Okay, so now it's only detecting take a photo. Take a photo. So now I think the thought around hello. I mean, it might take some false positives if it's just randomly talking like that. Let's see. But it's almost better. Like, I think the solution is to have vocabulary as an option. Have it toggled from settings. Yeah. Take a photo. Hey, hey, hey. See, it's not, so you can see from it's like hey is A. Take. It's looking for the specific sequence to take a photo, so hello, Akoda. AK Odo. See, it's like, it's less, okay, so actually I think that's going to be pretty good. Okay. So now, let's get an asset store. Let's see. Search online. Let's just get to the documentation for Nat Quarter. Oh yeah, it's not. Okay, so I don't think I own this. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to go to the Nat Quarter. The Unity form post, that's gonna be the best for debugging. And then package manager. Okay, we're gonna download it. So yeah, what this says right here, it's kind of a little hard to see, but Nat Corner is a lightweight, easy to use, full feature video recording API for iOS, Android, macOS, WebGL, and Windows. So this is good because I think it all works on, we'll go to NatCam. Does NatCam work on WebGL too? So it's because if this works for WebGL, then I mean, we might need to do some testing. Like, it's gonna be a whole way. But if Nat Quarter and Nat and Recanismo work, then I think we can essentially do a version that lives on a website that's just it's just online. And so then people that like, if you wanted to just load up a web browser and get the same functionality, I think it's totally possible and could be a great way to get like that free functionality. Okay, we downloaded it. We already have it imported. Wait, is that the right one? I think I was on. All right. Is that weird? Did they do that? All assets. Isn't there a way to get old? See, that's kind of weird. Number of files 0. Okay, so somehow the last version was updated to the. Okay. package. Okay, so this is kind of a bummer because unless okay. Okay, we're gonna get the invoice. I feel like the other way I can get it without asking him would be to. Okay, so Okay, so reading this, I like the AI stuff. But like $29 a month is expensive. I'm just gonna email him. It's funny because like I could go to Gmail. Matt Porter. Alright, let's just be polite. Like, yo. I'm just trying to use the asset store on that. Okay, I mean, maybe it will work, maybe it won't. In terms of other features, oh yeah, image rotations. Image rotations is probably, that's like the most important one. Could try to get. All right, I think these are done too. Image rotation. Okay. Use. Um, Okay, let's try to use ChatGPT. Write me a script that detects if a Okay. Okay, that's what I was thinking I was going to do. I was thinking I needed to use the gyro. This script looks good, but I also need it to determine portrait upside down and landscape. Yeah, I'm a prompter. I'm really good at getting ChatGPT to write all this code. Okay. Oh wait, this already has the code. Let's put this on. Okay. So I have it set up on the yeah, so that's good. Okay. Okay, so let's change this to get. Because it's public. Okay, so here's the idea is that we reference it here. And then when it takes a photo, dude, this is actually an update. Capture photo white screen. Okay, on photo save is the callback. Okay, so it's okay. All right. We're making a return a string. Okay, so bam. Okay. 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 I mean, I guess this is like kind of redundant, but more like there's a way to do it so it's cleaner. It's not this go 3 times, but we're just prototyping now right now, so this is fine. Chat GPT, new chat. Can you give a script that is it texture 2D? Yeah. See, saving lots of time. We'll just drink some water. All this math is going on. Oh my god, look at that. It's going crazy. Okay, perfect. This is what like Chat GPT is so good at. He's like utility. It's like write me a utility function or like parse this JSON that I like definitely don't want to do. And it's like, yeah, we gotcha. Okay. Which is this landscape? Let's see what which way is this landscape? This is portrait. This is oh yeah, it's not even updating. Oh my god, I couldn't type at all. Oh wait, let's get it to void. Okay. And so portrait, landscape left, landscape right, upside down. So landscape right is negative. Okay. Let's just do it. Okay, so I got it up here. Turn it sideways. It's now landscape left. Landscape right. It's weird because so you go left with it, it's landscape right. I mean, if it's backwards, we'll just reverse it. Okay, we can delete that. Okay, on how many lines is this? Almost 400. Dude, this is so much easier with AI. It's kind of insane. Let's see if it gets this one right. Yeah. Okay, and then the last one. Oh, 270. Let's do -90. I mean, maybe it's not. Maybe Codex knows what it's talking about more than I do. Okay. So that seems like it's good. We got some errors. Yeah, because it's weird how AI, like, it's so close to being sweet, and then it like still doesn't do everything. Like, it just assumed that it was orientation member. Okay, I mean, I think, like, we'll test it out now. Oh yeah, let's go into player settings, resolution So it's portrait. And then the other thing that I wanted to do was make it so there should be an egg as a suspend. I just want to make it so it's probably going to be okay, but I'd rather have it anytime. Okay, enable custom background behaviors. Where is that? Bam. Okay. I mean, okay, I guess. Like what Okay, actually, yeah, let's test it out without it, and then maybe ChatGPT had some good points. OS build replace. Okay. Building. I think this will be a good place to end it. We'll get some. We'll test it out. See if it works. If the orientation works correctly. I remember back in the day, because I was like trying to build this app with bad voice recognition software that like worked awfully. But I remember the orientation seeming daunting, but it's kind of crazy that it was kind of insanely easy to do with just the ChatGPT 4, like kind of just does it for you. You just prompt it and it writes you a code. Okay. Oh wait. Build settings. Enable build code. All right, I think that's everything. I mean, if this works, I'll get Nat Quarter in, or hopefully then Lanray, Usoft, the NatCam people will email me the legacy version of NatCam with Nat Quarter, and I can get video recording working. It seems like aspect ratio is all figured out. So then it will just be like the native resolution of the iPhone screen will be the Nat Quarter resolution. Oh, wait. Do you know what? I think I actually have an older version of Nat Quarter inside another project. I don't want to show the project because it's not open source project, but I could pull that. So if they don't email me back, I'll just pull the Nat Quarter assets from this other project. They're assets that I already own back into the scene, and I think we'll be good to go. So next stream, Okay. Always low. There we go. Okay, it's installing. We'll open up QuickTime. Continue. Longer than expected. Sometimes you gotta hit. So you unhook it. And now it's working. Okay. Take a photo. Okay, so that seemed to work. Let's see if I go left. Take a photo. It's weird how that's landscape, right? I wouldn't expect it to be. Take a photo. Take a photo. Okay, and then the other things to test out is, okay, I mean, I look okay there. Take a photo. Take a photo. All right, if that works, I'll be so stoked. Oh, so it is totally. Hey, why was that one black? All right, so yes. All right, so we got it. So we got the landscape orientation working. All right. So I'm out of space on my I filled up all my flash drive on storage. Okay. Let's save this. We'll quit this, and then the last thing I'll do is I'm gonna make a new GitHub project, a private one. Okay, and then in GitHub desktop. Where's the path at? Nocus/voicecam. Oh, I hate this. Okay. I think what I gotta do is call that, and then Okay. And then now in GitHub, I think I can do this again. Set up in desktop. Okay. And now what I do is I drag okay. And so now into the directory. Okay, I need to commit the git ignore. Git ignore. All right, isn't it? It's just dot, right? Okay, I think the dot git ignore made it hidden, and then it fixed that error. So now if I hit publish branch, it should upload it, and it ignored like the library and all the big files. But that is slick. Let's get that demo one more time. Okay. Take a photo. Get to see my messy desk. Ooh, cool. Okay, take a photo. take a photo. Dude, this is actually sick. Once it gets video in the next stream, we will be cooking with gas. All right, well, so this is uploading. I'm not gonna bore everyone to wait for it to upload. I'm just gonna push it. I can do it on the terminal too. I just sometimes the GitHub desktop makes it really simple. But yeah, and that's a good place to end the stream. We're at a good spot. If we can get video recording going on, maybe like add the settings menu to like mess with settings. Do some very basic settings like custom commands and toggles or whatever, LED light flashing when it's recording or to indicate that it's recording. It's potentially able to be accessed. And then I think upload it to test flight because ideally I want to get people using it and giving me feedback. Oh, the other thing I need to do is I need to make it work with pro iPhone cameras and single cam, and then get the all right, we're adding the project ring disk. Okay, well, yeah, I'll make that. Yeah, we'll just write that in real quick just so we got it kind of all documented. I got the one the 128 gig and with Xcode. Oh, I think there's a derived. Give me the errors because it's fully out of space. All right, give it a gig. All right, clear that. Could be an error because it's like probably writing stuff. Probably shouldn't open it. Probably should just open the file. Yeah, Unity's freaking out. Okay. Yeah, so, okay, working Nismo. Well, I think I'll just end it. I'm gonna write the do-outs around making recording working and getting the pinch to zoom, getting settings, and test flight. So getting there, you know, it's kind of fun saying, okay, let's document everything. Because I think this is the time where it's like in a usable prototype. So let's get a couple of the polishes on there and then get it tested to some friends. Maybe make some videos about it. Yeah, so we'll see where it goes. Peace.